Morning students, let's start our today's topic. Today we will start subject specific skills first part, that is introduction to IT and IT's industry. Information technology has led to the establishment of a global network which has brought people from different corners of the world together. It has also enabled in transmitting, sharing, analyzing, and storing data. Its applications and influence is seen almost everywhere in our society, be it in our home, hospital, uh, school, office, research center, etc. India is one of the fastest growing hubs of IT services in the world. The opportunity in IT industries can be broadly classified into software development. Software development is one of the core work in IT industry. Operation mechanisms of various organizations are being converted to applications or software which are helping to transform various sectors such as banking, healthcare, education, etc. into a more digitalized form. ITs is a form of third party or support service which has emerged due to the use of resources of IT tools in various fields such as banking, insurance, finance, medical, credit card, etc. IT's industries has contributed significantly in the growth of economy and social transformation in our country. IT and IT sector is generating large number of employment every year. This sector has been unparalleled growth since last decade. With the immense opportunities that this sector has to offer, a large number of companies are investing to expand and set up IT and IT's business in India. BPO. BPO stands for Business Process Outsourcing. It means outsourcing of business process or functions to a third party to get faster results at lesser cost with proper quality. Business process outsourcing service means those business operations which are performed by an outside service provider. In other words, we can say that some industries take help from other service providers to facilitate their work. They hire some outsourcing companies for that work, and those outsourcing companies is called BPO, business process outsourcing. Okay, types of BPO services. uh, we have many types of BPO services. Customer support service. These services are related to giving information to client by responding through chatbot, voice, email, chat, etc. Such customer support centers operate 24 into 7 throughout the year. Then we have technical support services. These types of BPO services provide technical knowledge at the outsourced center to resolve customer queries pertaining to a computer hardware, software, peripheral, and the internet. Okay, then we have data entry services. These type of BPO service include entering data at a fast pace, taking care to maintain a high degree of accuracy. For example, maintaining data related to sales, data entry of student details, data entry of voters, motorists, etc. Accounting services. These type of BPO include services related to maintaining general ledger, financial statements, balance sheets, bank reconciliation statement, assets and liabilities, all the books related to account. Okay, online service such as BPO service include online sales and purchase, e-booking, e-ticketing, etc. This is one of the fastest mode to reach out to a majority of the customers worldwide in the shortest span of time and at a leisure cost. In addition to the above service, following are the popular service of BPO industry: back office operations, data processing, human resource services, legal databases, payroll management, revenue cost, content development or animations, geographical information system service, insurance claim service, medical transcriptions, remote maintenance, support center. All these are our BPO services. Business process management, BPM. Business process management is a process of operations management in which we study identity, change, and monitor business process of an organizations to ensure that they run smoothly and can improve their performance with time. The IT BPM business process management industry is doing an exceptional job in the growth of India. This industry provides quality service. We can say that it has been fueling India's growth. Okay, BPM is a process towards improving business processes. Companies are improving their performance by a constant evaluation of the value added in all parts of processes. Structure of BPM industry. The structure of an IT BPM uh, industry has been categorized in the following patterns: sector in which the organization is serving, range of service the company is offering, geographical spread of the operations, revenues and size of operations. MNC, multinational companies. What is MNCs? Those companies whose headquarter is in outside India but are operating their work in many locations worldwide is called multinational companies, MNCs. These companies provide a number of jobs. Means these are the companies that are registered and facilitates assets and operations in more than one country at a time. Generally, the company has its headquarter in one country and operates in many countries. Indian service provider. ISPs are those providers whose operations are in India. Most of these organizations have their headquarters in India and all the jobs done by them from India. Okay, means we can say it is the opposite of the MNCs. Then we have global in-house centers. Global in-house GIC are offshore centers that perform uh, designated functions for their parent company. Means GIC organizations work for the parent company. They have to fulfill the parent company's work. Means they only work for their parent company and do not serve external client. GIC has a share of 1/5 of IT BPM exports in India. Okay, applications of IT applications. First of all, we have what is IT applications. Nowadays information technology can be seen everywhere around the world. All of us using it every day. Here we will discuss some applications of IT industry. Our first application is communication. Okay, in communication IT has a significant role. One can easily chat through various platforms. Video calling has now become easier. IT has really changed the way of communications. Okay, means um how we can say how we can say we are using IT in communication. Our first IT's first services in communication: email. Electronic mail, usually known as email, enables to send the soft copy of letter, messages and video instantly to any user through the internet. Online chatting, all we are aware about it. Okay, instantly messages we can exchange, typed messages. Video conferencing, FTP file transfer protocols. Okay, it is a standard protocol which is used to transfer files between computers which are connected in a network. Telnet, it is facility which enables the users to access remote computers or terminals over the internet. Social networking It is a network of people connected to each other through web communication. Okay, then we have news and broadcasting. The collection and the collection and presentations of news has changed dramatically with the rise of IT. Okay, earlier journalists used snail mails, real to real audio records, dark room processing of people and typewriters for composing content, but now IT has influenced modern and contemporary mass media industry. Okay, as the information can be flashed in any part of the world in no time. It has changed the nature of these work with a remote कन्वीनियंट अप्रोच. इससे पहले हमने यहाँ वर्ड पढ़ा था स्नेल मेल मेल बाय postal system, means letter or messages that are sent by post rather than by mail. Okay, and one word we read here, that is dark room processing of photos, means it is a room that can be made completely completely dark, that is the room completely dark to allow the processing of the light sensitive photographic materials, including film and photographic paper. Okay, मीन्स लास्ट प्रीवियस टाइम में ऐसा यूज़ करते थे फोटोग्राफर्स, बट दीज डेज वी हैव IT इंडस्ट्रीज एंड IT इंडस्ट्री हैज चेंज द सिनेरियो ऑफ लाइफ और न्यूज़ एंड ब्रॉडकास्टिंग सिनेरियो हैज चेंज्ड. Instant broadcast, the digital technology along with wireless connectivity and computers, reporters are now able to gather news as it happens and transmit to the public instantly on radio, television. Online newspaper are available, online news channels are available, news on social media are also available. Okay, then we have social networking. Earlier people used to interact with friends and relatives to in closed group and meet them during family functions, religious ceremonies and gatherings, but with the emergence of IT devices, computer and mobile, people now have revolutionized the mode of interaction through social network. Okay, some of the social network are social media and retaining friendships. Social media, it is a computer based technology that enables people to form web communities among themselves to share um, sentiments, relationships, news, ideas, topics of common interest, etc. through platform like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp. ये सारे लिंक्ड आईडी, तो लिंक्डइन, ये सारे क्या है, हमारे सोशल मीडिया साइट्स हैं. रिटेनिंग फ्रेंडशिप, इट वॉज डिफ़िकल्ट टू रिमेन conducted to old friends after moving forwards from an instruction, but with the advent of smart devices and internet, people remain in touch with each other through instructional alumni sites and other social networking sites like WhatsApp or Facebook or Telegram, we can say, or Instagram. Education, information technology, IT is very much used in education for teaching learning process. The software and hardware made the process of learning very easy. We can see a lot of animations in education videos which made studying very interesting. Various methods of illustrations are now brought to visualize what we are reading in the real world. Okay, means classroom teaching and printed papers books were the only modes of education before the advent of IT. Okay, and this many school and industries have turned to digitizations and smart learning, like webinar based distance learning. It is mode of providing professional or career oriented training in which content are delivered to a seminar of located at different places by a trainer from a remote locations on web. Digital classroom, it is the process of applying multimedia tools in classroom teaching that include display of animated contents, okay, with interactive whiteboard on which the contents are written with stylus pen. We can with the help of stylus pen sensors जो होते हैं उसकी हेल्प से लिखा जाता है. वी कैन कॉपी द कंटेंट. CBT कंप्यूटर बेस्ड ट्रेनिंग. इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज courseware. The composed contents gets delivered via software installed on the computer. Virtual classroom. It is an online learning environment where content are delivered through a portal, okay, or software which can be conveniently accessed anytime and from any place by registered students pursuing academic courses, okay. Online admissions and counseling are also available. Online examination. It is computer based examination system that has completely authorized the old manual procedures of conducting exams. At the test are taken on computers online, and these days we are giving online examinations. The another field we have banking. Banking without computers cannot be imagined. A lot of work is done in the computers, from transmission of maintaining records, online payment like cashless payment of electricity bill, telephone bill, school fees made electronically through क्रेडिट कार्ड, डेबिट कार्ड, इन्हीं के थ्रू हम ऑनलाइन बैंकिंग, नेट बैंकिंग के थ्रू हम कर सकते हैं. एंड वी कैन ऑल्सो फैसिलिटेट्स रेकरिंग डिपॉजिट्स, ERD, fixed deposits, EFD, money transfer, okay. All these are the facilities of ITs. Net banking, instant transfer of money across the globe is possible. And cash withdrawal deposit, money can be withdrawal or deposit 24/7 through ATM or kiosk connected to the computer network of a bank, okay. Another service we have, that is research, okay. Research any field was minuscule as means मामूली सा. minuscule means बिल्कुल लो लेवल पर जिसे हम बोलते हैं. एज देयर वर नॉट इनफ IT टूल्स अवेलेबल इन द पास्ट. थे नहीं हमारे पास रिसर्च करने के लिए IT टूल्स. रिसर्चर्स एंड साइंटिस्ट नाउ मेक यूज ऑफ सुपर कंप्यूटर्स and mainframe computers to compile and analyze vast amount of data at a very high speed. Computers have led to innovations and researchers in a way which would have not been possible slowly by humans, okay. And it has helped mankind in many ways, like satellite launching, communication, robotics, complex research studies, measure of scale of natural disasters, weather forecasting and predictions, etc. In the field of defense, in the past it was difficult to track movement of enemy troops, okay. In modern warfare, computers analyze pictures taken from satellite for tracking enemy movements. And many technologies like GPS, global positioning system, and the internet were initially created or started for the defense service. Computers are an important aspect of the defense industry. Advanced IT tools facilitates design of weapon, okay, coding, decoding, transmission of confidential messages we can do, okay. Identifications, the picture of enemy troop movements are taken through satellites and piloted using computers, thus identifying the exact enemy locations. Simulations means missiles operations are first tested or simulated on computers before the final implementation. Criminal identification and law enforcement. In the past, criminal record maintain was done through archived file kept in police station, but with the advent of computers, criminal records maintained has become paperless, okay. And the other work, computer facilitates the criminal identification and law enforcement department in tracking the location of suspicious persons or accused can now be tracked through their mobile phone signals. Digital criminal record, Okay, the criminal investigations departments are now able to maintain the records of each criminal digitally in a computer analysis. The criminal investigation departments do comparative analysis of nature of crimes in each state and what trend on different crimes through software generated statistics on computer. Then we have DNA test. This is form of examination of hair sample, blood sample, etc. by the use of computer technology to identify people associated with the criminal case. Immigrations records. There are a large number of foreign national uh, and non-residents travel to a country every year. The immigrations departments maintain passport and visa records of all these visitors on computers and accordingly monitor their entry and exit from the country. Then we have entertainment. Earlier, people used to entertain themselves by watching puppet show, circus, and other live performance like religious and historical drama staged at the square of villages and towns. But now, newer modes of entertainment like radio and television are were available. Okay, right at the homes of the people, reducing traveling time and cost. Okay, these days we have many modes of entertainments are available due to IT's industry, and these are with these modes every person can easy access to music, movie and games, animation movies, digital recording, okay, broadcast of web series. Okay, then we have business business operations, engineering and manufacturing. Before it we have printing. Yes, we have done it. Defense, criminal record, प्रिंटिंग एंड पब्लिकेशंस. ओके, अब मैंने एंटरटेनमेंट के बारे में बताया था आपको. बिजनेस के बारे में, बिजनेस तो हर एक बिजनेस के अंदर हम कंप्यूटर्स को यूज़ करते हैं. टेबुलेशन ऑफ अकाउंट्स, बिजनेस कम्युनिकेशन, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ऑल डिपार्टमेंट्स, HR मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम, एडवर्टाइजिंग एंड सेल्स प्रमोशंस, ऑल वर्क all the business work with the help of IT industry is made possible. Printing and publications means earlier authors and writers used to pen their thoughts on paper or type using manual typewriters. Okay, any corrections during editing and proof reading used to lead to typing the entire page afresh. Computers have transferred the process and speed of printing and publishing as they have led to instant editing. Instant editing, the editing of content is done instantly by the use of auto corrections of spelling and grammar. Executions of monitoring of large scale printing. Okay, pupil controlled printing mechanisms are now being used by printing press for large scale productions with innumerable combination of colors, ebook and newspaper. Variety of promotional materials means designing and printing of promotional materials like flags, banner, poster, pamphlet, etc. is done using computers. Okay, engineering and manufacturing. The manufacturing units used to deploy large number of manpower and mechanical tools. The structural designing of building, products and equipment were earlier done on large designs papers and multiple copies of them were prepared manually. But now multiple copies of such drawings for analysis, presentations and field work is done through computers. Okay, and engineers and manufacturing now rely on computers for CAM, computer aided manufacturing, or designing of heavy engineering products. Okay, computer aided design, both are possible. Then we have sports, entertainment. We have done this topic, entertainment. and business. Sports. Earlier, sports were slowly concerned with field activities. Sports and computers were never considered interrelated aspects. Gradually, computers started modernizing and sports industry as well. Okay, computers help players, coaches, commentators, sport analysts, sports organizers, and media in a varied way, like identification of training needs. What are the training needs? Can identify matches recording, and statistical analysis means recording of statistical data of performances enable commentators and sports analysis to do better analysis of players and their playing style. Medical science. Information technology has made healthcare on the whole not only more organizations but also safer, reliable, and more accessible with introduction of telemedicine, computer controlled medical service. Okay, telemedicine means the information technology and telecommunications are now used to provide health care or to people living in far or off distance. Okay, computer controlled medical services like CT scan, X-ray, ECG, computerizations of hospital management system, like generation of accurate bills of patients, and doctors and other staff on duty are available or नहीं है यह है real time data on bed availability, digital patient record, medical records of patients are maintained electronically for quick reference and access instead of being achieved in paper files like in the past. Computerized labs. Today modern diagnostic laboratories and computerized devices to test samples and infer accurate results. Computerized pharmacies. Computers are now able to check vital details like compositions of medicines, expiry dates, inventory, etc. in pharmacies. Next, we have museum and library. Second last topic is this. Earlier records of priceless items of museum and libraries were maintained in handwritten registers. Nowadays, managing books and register in the library and museum are not such tough work. Libraries are now computerized, museums are now computerized. To manage a lot of books records can be associated with books, which makes the process easy to keep track of the list of available books and many more. Okay, एंड मीन्स अब लाइब्रेरी और म्यूज़ियम के अंदर जो है वो रिकॉर्ड भी इजीली मेंटेन हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे ट्रैकिंग ऑफ रिसोर्सेज. ओके, द अपडेटेड रिकॉर्ड्स आर फेड इन कंप्यूटर एंड विजिटर्स कैन ट्रेस देयर रिक्वायरमेंट्स और एरियाज ऑफ इंस्टेंट themselves from user terminals located in libraries and museums. Digital historical data and book issue record, indexing, we can check the index, online access books. Okay, one can read e-books, newspaper, journals, research papers in soft copy also. Last topic is railway aviations. Railway aviation means earlier railways and flights researchers were done manually. Okay, and passenger record were entered in registers which result in numerous errors. Also, people used to stand in long queues to get the reservation done. Introduction of computer in railways and aviation industry facilitate online reservation. Traffic control, computerized runway guide, autopilot means pilot rely heavily on computer system to fly planes. Flight data recording. Okay, in case of accidents, flight data records help flight engineers to analyze what went wrong during the aircraft journey. Tracking and monitoring of trains, real-time tracking of running train positions help passengers to check whether the train is on scheduled or not. It also helps the authorities to monitor trends. So students, we have completed today's topic.